Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing request module in Python. Request module generally allows us to send HTTP requests extremely easy. It helps us to extract all the elements of any web page in Python. Suppose I have a web page that's of a request module documentation. So suppose I want to extract all the elements of this web page, which means the elements which has built up this web page. So I will inspect this in my browser and I can get all the documentation, like all the HTML format code in this format. You can see here. And suppose I want this text file with the help of Python. So in that case, I can use request module. So let's try it. First, we will copy the link and then we will import request module, and then we will create a new variable element, and then I will call a function named get, and then within inverted commas I will paste the link. Okay, and if I want the in text format, I want to print those elements, or all those texts. So if you see here, I get all the texts present in the element portion here. Similarly, we can count any variables, any variable or any text in this text as well. Or suppose I want to count number of A's present on this website. So I can say remove this. I don't want this. Okay. So I want to count. So I will use count. Wait, first I will create a new variable named text, and then I will use count and pass the word which I want to count. Okay. So suppose I use A, so I get 8,770 A's are used on this website. So this is all for request module. Thank you for watching.